In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Evernote account. Whether you're looking to simplify your digital life or switching to a different platform, following these steps will help you close your Evernote account smoothly. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Evernote account. You'll do this directly on the Evernote web platform. Enter your credentials carefully, and it's a good idea to double-check your username or email and password to ensure you're logged in successfully. This step sets the foundation for the deactivation process, so make sure you're properly logged in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Evernote dashboard. From here, the next step is to navigate to the Account Info section. You'll typically find this by clicking on your profile picture or the account icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen, which will then reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll notice several options related to your account settings and personal information. Click on Account Info to proceed to the next stage. Now, in the Account Info area, you'll see a variety of tabs on the sidebar. Here, you're looking for the Profile tab because it is within this section that you will find the option to deactivate your account. This section is where all your linked accounts and personal information reside, making it an essential stop in our journey to close the account. Once you've accessed your profile page, scan through the available links to identify the option labeled Close Your Evernote Account. Typically, this link appears in blue, making it stand out against the rest of the text. By clicking on this link, you will initiate the formal process of deactivating your account. When you click the Close Your Evernote Account link, Evernote might ask for confirmation. Often, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you indeed wish to close your account. This stage is critical as it prevents accidental deactivations, which could lead to data loss. Read any prompts carefully and follow any additional instructions provided by Evernote to complete the process. It's always a good idea to ensure you have indeed backed up any data you might need before finalizing this step, especially if there are notes or personal documents you want to keep. By following these steps, you'll have successfully deactivated your account. Remember, once your account is closed, you might lose access to your data permanently, so this decision should be made with careful consideration. Thank you for choosing to follow along, and best of luck with your future digital endeavors.